Hey guys, it's Royline99. Today we will be playing Will You Press the Button? Well, let's get us started. Now, I can eat whatever I want without getting fat, or but you can only drink Coke. Well, I don't have to say yes, because I'm a fat ass already and I don't want to get any fatter. You people in the comments, I love Coke. What the fuck? You become any animal you want. You must get a kiss from a woman to return to your original form. Well, I could probably choose animals that women would like to kiss, like dogs, cats. I can't think of any others, so hell yeah. Let's just rate this good. There is a 50% chance that you get any superpower you want, but there's a 50% chance that you'll die. Hell to fuck no. I prefer to live. I'm way too young to die. Plot twist, your power is plain dead. Good point. You can live inside any game you choose, but you will be the opposite gender. You may never leave it. Well, that's a plus, because I wouldn't mind being a woman. It'd be awesome. Just jiggle around the boobs and all that. Sorry for if I'm offending feminists out there, but just what guys love to do. Plus also mess with other parts. Now just... oh shit. You get to create an entire world and fill it with beings of your own design and teach them moral codes, rules that they will follow, but they do not... oh, they do have the ability of free thought and speech. They will love you and worship you, but they are easily influenced, and your worst enemy holds a lot of power over their minds and can influence them to do his bidding. His only goal in life is to get everyone to hate you and become the ruler of your world. Hell the fuck no. Oh, it's 50-50 on this one. Oof. Okay. Zayn Hazi Malik did 9/11. I have no clue who that is. But the Holocaust never happened, and death from here onwards would be just a thing of the past. You'll die from natural causes, no one and nothing else. Well, I don't have no the fuck idea who he is. I'm not going to look him up. I'm just going to press it. You receive $5 million every year until the day you die. But you need to spend 10 years in prison before you receive your first $5 million. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I would, but if it actually really happens, then I won't. Because, you know, being in prison 10 years can mess up your life. Scroll, thank you. You agree to hand over your adopted daughter to a group of scientists looking for a cure for a major disease. Your adopted daughter has the cure within her, but you find out that this girl's cure can only be harvested from her brain, which means she'll die to save millions. Well, the adopted daughter, but I'll be proud of her to save the world of a horrible disease. So yes. Nah. Come on. explode. You have to eat live snake, but it's genetically modified to taste exactly like chocolate or peanut butter or gummy worms. Well, no. I would not want to have like it wind up being poisonous and killing me, which I don't want to be killed. I want to live, thank you. You can type 1,000 words per minute, but you can only use Comic Sans. I have no idea what the fuck that is, so no. What the fuck? Why can't they allow you to see comments beforehand? You will be the best player of your favorite video game and be slightly famous from it, but all the money you make from playing in it competition will be burned in front of you after you win. No, I don't want to actually get the money. Come on. Come on, mouse. You can have any power you want, but you'll never be able to love again. Hell to the fuck no. You'll never feel lonely ever again, but everyone on Earth will disappear for eternity. No. If I'd never feel loneliness again, then why would I care that if I'm the only person on the planet? Oh, that's a good point. But still, there should be people with us, around you, and be able to social that, and you'll probably go insane, and even though that you won't feel lonely. Well, this is just me. You are a superhero. You gain super speed, super strength, and ability to fly. Oh yeah! But only you can prevent. Seriously. I'm just gonna press it. People who make questions like this just need to get better. If you're one of those people, I'm sorry. You just gotta improve. You can turn invisible, but when you turn, a half-naked clown follows you within 15 feet. Hell fuck no. Okay, a couple more. We're good. You can be on any TV show of your choosing, but the entire cast and crew hates you. Well, you'll get paid, obviously, but I would get used to them hating me. So yes. Okay, one more. Actually, two more, and I'll leave. Okay. You can have anyone's social networking passwords, but you are only allowed to use dial-up internet on an old computer. Hell fuck no. Seriously, comments? Nope. You are the most beautiful guy, girl in the world, but you'll never see your mother again. That's a bad one. I'm trying to find one. No? Hold on a second. I'm trying to find a good one for you guys to answer in the comments. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave this one to you guys. You acquire 3 superpowers of your own choosing, but you gain an unlikable nemesis that relentlessly hunts you down. Like I said, post your thoughts in the comments below. Tell me what you think. If you want me to do more videos like this, I can. And if you like this video, knock that like button out. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.